Can you walk us through an example of how a relatively simple notice can escalate if it is not handled properly?
Well, I think a perfect example is what I just discussed. You file a tax return and you get a notice from the IRS that says, "We have not received your tax return." You know that you filed it, or at least you mailed it in, let's put it that way. If you don't respond to that, eventually the IRS will assume you didn't file a tax return. They'll do a substitute for return and add penalties and things of that nature. That's just one of but probably many, many examples. As I began this podcast by saying, the IRS doesn't send a notice unless there's a reason. And if there is a reason, which there is, you really should respond to it, because if you don't, it can escalate and get out of hand and create problems that you do not want to have to deal with.